Place all accessories. Assemble the first plate. Use two screws to fix the plate. Please don't tighten screws too tightly. Note that the middle water outlet does not install screw. Please don't tighten too tightly. Next, assemble the second plate. Use two screws to fix. Please don't tighten screws too tightly. Please don't tighten screws too tightly. Then assemble the third plate. Use 3 screws to fix. Please don't tighten screws too tightly. Then assemble the fourth plate. Use 3 screws to fix. Please don't tighten screws too tightly. Next, assemble the both side plate. Use 4 screws to fix. Please don't tighten screws too tightly. Assemble the other side plate. Use the 4 screws to fix. Please don't tighten screws too tightly. Last, assemble the support rod. Note the direction of the gasket. Use 4 screws to fix. There you can tighten screws tightly. Finally, tighten all screws tightly. Assembly finished. Fill the Patio Chaise lounge chair over. Display the adjustment of angle.